Western Super Match X. 50-plus-year-old ammunition. Will it perform? Keep watching. Hi, and welcome to a new episode in the Vintage Test series. Today we will test the Western Super Match X. This is a 50-plus-year-old ammunition. This box is manufactured somewhere between 1962 and 1969, and it sports a 40-gram bullet that leaves a muzzle at something. It doesn't say on the box. We have to test it in the chronograph. So, let's go to the range. So, what do you think about this ammunition? I think it worked out pretty well. You have to remember, this is manufactured somewhere between the Cuba crisis and when the man walked on the moon for the first time. So, it's 50+ years old. Unfortunately, I don't have many of these. This is the last box I have. And maybe it's 40 something left, and I will test it on the 100-meter range next time I'm there. Until next time. Hey! Please remember, like, subscribe, share. Almost forgot it. Bye bye.